Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle? Ever wondered if there was a hidden secret to attracting money that isn't commonly shared? What if you could create your own wealth with ease and grace? What if you had the confidence and the skills to attract money into your life like a magnet? What if you lived in a state of abundance and prosperity where you never had to worry about your finances again? You can do exactly that and live in abundance and in total freedom from financial worries and struggles. This is a reality for those who have mastered the art of manifestation. They have unlocked the secret of using their mindset and energy to align themselves with the frequency of wealth. They have tapped into the infinite source of abundance that is available to everyone. You can learn how to manifest money and create the life of your dreams. You can discover the proven techniques and strategies that will transform your relationship with money and open the doors to unlimited opportunities. This is your chance to take control of your financial destiny and unleash your true potential. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Keep on watching and find out how you can become a money magnet today. Money is not just a piece of paper or a number on a screen. It is a living, breathing entity that has a life of its own. It is an energy that can be created, exchanged, and multiplied. It is a reflection of our inner state of being. You might be holding yourself back from abundance with your limiting beliefs about money. You might have been taught that money is scarce, that it is difficult to earn, and that it is corrupting. You might have blamed money for your troubles or hoped that money would solve them. You might have treated money as something separate from you, something that you have to pursue, plead, or take. The truth is that you have the power to create, attract, and enjoy money in abundance. Money is not something to be feared or avoided, but a positive force that can help you realize your true potential. Money is a reflection of your inner wealth, your creativity, your generosity, and your value. Money is your ally in making a difference in the world, in living your purpose, and in fulfilling your vision. You have the power to attract money by aligning yourself with its nature. You have to raise your vibration to match the vibration of money. You have to adopt the thoughts, the feelings, and the behaviors of someone who already has the money you desire. You have to show gratitude, generosity, and joy. When you do this, you become a money magnet. You attract money to you with ease and grace. You experience wealth and well-being in every area of your life. You take control of your own financial destiny. The Law of Attraction and Affirmations. Joseph Murphy was a renowned author and minister who taught the principles of the law of attraction and the power of the subconscious mind. He wrote many books on how to use the law of attraction and the power of the subconscious mind to manifest anything you want, including money and wealth. He taught that using positive affirmations can reprogram your subconscious mind and help you attract what you want in life. To use affirmations to create wealth and money, you need to change your subconscious beliefs about them. You need to affirm that you are a magnet for money, that you deserve abundance, and that God or the universe is the source of all your supply. You can, for example, affirm daily, and at the same time, feeling the abundance in your life, affirmations like, "I am a money magnet. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am rich and prosperous. I live in abundance and joy. I am grateful for all the money I receive." Using affirmations like that regularly will help you overcome limiting beliefs, fears, doubts, and negative emotions that may be blocking your flow of abundance, wealth, and money. The Law of Attraction and Visualization. According to Bob Proctor, a Canadian self-help author and lecturer, visualization is where everything starts. He said that thoughts become things. If you see it in your mind, you will hold it in your hand. He also said that the subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between what's real and what's imagined. This means that when you visualize your goals as if they are already accomplished, you impress them on your subconscious mind, which then works to make them a reality. Proctor also said that visualization can help you attract money and abundance into your world by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your purpose and passion. He said that you should see yourself living in abundance and you will attract it, and that it works every time with every person. He also said that by visualizing your goal already completed, you flip your mind onto the frequency that contains the way that it will be attracted to you. Proctor was a living example of the power of visualization. He went from being a high school dropout and a broke fireman to becoming a multi-millionaire and a world-renowned speaker, author, and coach. He credits his success to his ability to visualize his goals and take action on them. He said that you have to get to the point where you ignore all the reasons why you can't. Don't spend 5 seconds thinking why you can't, because you're giving energy against yourself. Only focus on how you can. Here are 4 additional and extremely powerful money-attracting techniques founded on the law of attraction. Technique 1. Be more mindful in your daily life. Mindfulness is the practice of being aware of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations in the present moment without judging them or identifying with them. Mindfulness helps you to connect with your true self, beyond the ego and its attachments. When you apply mindfulness to your financial decisions, you become more conscious of your spending habits, your income sources, and your financial goals. You avoid making impulsive purchases that are driven by fear, greed, or boredom. You make informed choices that are aligned with your values and your purpose. You cultivate a sense of gratitude and abundance for what you have, rather than a sense of lack and scarcity for what you don't have. Mindfulness is the key to making conscious financial decisions that support your financial responsibility, your personal growth, and your spiritual awakening. Technique 2. Have a clear vision and focus on what you want. If you want to attract money and wealth into your life, you need to have a clear vision of what you want and why you want it. You also have to keep your focus strong on your vision. Having a clear vision means that you know exactly how much money you want to make, how you want to earn it, what you want to spend it on, and how you want to feel about it. Having a clear vision also means that you have a strong purpose behind your desire for money and wealth, such as fulfilling your dreams, helping others, or making a positive impact on the world. Technique 3. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. To attract wealth into your life, it helps to connect with people who share your vision and values. These are people who inspire you, support you, challenge you, and hold you accountable. They are people who are also on the path of personal and financial growth and who can help you learn, grow, and achieve your goals. Connecting with like-minded individuals has many benefits. It helps you expand your network and create new opportunities. It helps you stay motivated and focused. It helps you align your energy and vibration with your desired outcomes. It helps you practice the law of attraction techniques such as affirmations, visualizations, gratitude, and giving. Technique 4. Bounce back from setbacks. Bouncing back from setbacks is an essential skill for attracting money and wealth into your life in a way that is in alignment with the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that you attract what you focus on, so you need to keep your vibration high and positive even when things don't go your way. Here's how you would recover from a setback. First, acknowledge your feelings. Don't try to ignore or suppress your emotions, as they are natural and valid. Instead, let them flow through you and release them. This will help you clear your mind and make room for positive thoughts. Second, reframe the situation. Look at the setback from a different angle and see it as a learning opportunity or a challenge. Ask yourself what you can learn from this experience, how you can improve your skills or strategies, and what you can do differently next time. By doing this, you can turn the situation into a positive and empowering one. Third, reaffirm your goals. Remind yourself of your goals and why you want to achieve them. Write them down and read them aloud every day. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and feeling happy and grateful. This will help you boost your confidence and your motivation and attract more opportunities and resources to help you reach your goals. By following this, you will activate the law of attraction and manifest money and abundance into your life. Remember, you are the creator of your own reality, and you have the power to attract anything you desire. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified about more content like this. Until next time.